Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the IAA Mobility here in Munich, taking a look at the new Renault Rafale. This is the new flagship SUV from Renault, the coupe SUV, and it looks amazing. Let's start here on the front. Matrix LEDs and then the daytime running LEDs here, and they're inspired by the Renault badge. How cool is that? Then you also have this very cool pattern of the grille with the blue inserts in here, and overall the styling is so impressive. Tell me in the comments, do you agree with me? 4.71 meters is the length of the car, and you see the coupe style of the roof. Let me show you those wheels. So they have the beautiful dual tone, so you see sort of like the silver gray finish and then the gloss black as well. New Renault badge is here. We have the Bridgestone tires and 245 45 R20, that's the dimension of the tires. This is the Esprit Alpine trim, so it gets you a very sporty look. Look at the design lines here. I mean, that is so impressive. Also the gloss black finish for both the wheel arches and the side skirts as well. Let us now move on to the rear of the car, where you notice the new taillights with the beautiful lighting signature. You also get the dynamic indicators in here, and then, I mean, this looks so good. Strong appearance on the road, and look how the rear glass is tilted. Then you also have a very pronounced rear spoiler and E-Tech hybrid lettering. I will talk more about the powertrain and the other options that are coming. Actually, one very cool option. So yeah, from this angle, look at the lights. Look at the strong design lines here as well. It is now time to check out the trunk space. Press this, the electric tailgate opens, and here, nice square shape and a lot of room. 647 liters of storage room. And look at this, there's also the spare tire. Now, something you don't often see in modern day cars. Hooks for your shopping bags are on both sides. Here you have the 12-volt power supply as well. It is now time to close it. Press this, and I need to mention this new lettering. Rafale, I think it looks gorgeous. Really suits this modern look of the car. Tell me in the comments, do you agree with me on that one? And we are now ready for the interior. And upon entering the car, you can see the gorgeous interior. And before we check out the driver's view, look at this, the blue carpeting that really makes this interior stand out even more. Nice stitching here, and of course the ambient lighting and the Harman Kardon sound system. When you enter, you are greeted with the Alpine lettering, the adjustments for the seats, and then the Esprit Alpine has got these special seats with this stitching. And yeah, let's see it from driver's perspective. In front of us, 12.3-inch digital cockpit and the main 12-inch touchscreen with a very nice design of the infotainment system. The ambient lights, then this well-known design element that we saw in Austral and the Espace, USB-C ports, 12-volt power supply, and the adjustable cup holders are here. And the infotainment system, as I said, the new design, and you control most of the things here on the screen. But great news is that we do have the physical buttons for some things, including the AC. So that is always nice to see. Here is where you adjust the air blower, and then on this one you adjust the temperature. This car also has the heated seats and heated steering wheel. The driving modes can be configured as well. So here you adjust the driving details, and then life on board. You can also change the ambient lighting. There are very nice options here. Look at this. So tell me in the comments which one is your favorite, and you see that the layout of the screen also changes. So both the infotainment system, digital cockpit, and then also the ambient lights as well. I will keep them blue. I think it suits the car very well. And yeah, well, the other things can be configured in here. And then if you press the home menu, you go into this main menu, and this is flickering just on the camera, of course. And you see this is very responsive, so big thumb up for that. There are also some adjustments that are available here: driving assist systems, vehicle settings, and seats and stuff like that. In front of us, the digital cockpit. You can change the views by pressing this button here, and you have few options including this map view, and I think this looks very nice, very cool indeed. I think my favorite is the map view, but tell me in the comments which one is yours. The beautiful Renault badge, and then this is your gear selector, so you see reverse, neutral, drive and park. And yeah, well, also I want to show you one cool detail. And now a very cool feature, look at this. If I pull it, now the roof becomes transparent. Do it again, now the whole roof will be transparent. And if we do it the other way, of course it goes in other direction. There we go. That is very useful and also cool. So as you can see, no problems whatsoever. USB ports are here, USB-C ports, then some storage room. And also this is one interesting detail here. So you have the cup holders. When you move this, USB-C ports, and you can also move those elements here, and then you can put a tablet in here. So yeah, very cool and practical. Look how much space I still have. I'm 1.87 m, and we do have the coupe style of the roof, but very clever design, which means that the occupants at the back have a lot of room for the head and also for the knees, of course. In terms of powertrains, this car comes with the E-Tech hybrid 200 horsepower powertrain, and in the future there will also be a 300 horsepower hybrid with 4x4 all-wheel drive. Stay tuned for that video in the future as well. And tell me in the comments, how do you like the new flagship SUV from Renault? And that was it, guys, the first review of the new Renault Rafale. Tell me in the comments, how do you like it? Do subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.